doing? I don't have any treats.
All right, let's get out of here before we gotta pay.
Not thinking about tomorrow, singing sweet home.
Hey guys, welcome back to Minnesota. So typical March weather, we got like 50 degrees so far. We started out at 22. Yesterday we had like 20 with a wind. The day before that, 70. So we're on our way over to the Buckowitz farm. We're down to our last few bales of hay, so figured we might as well stock up. So you may notice we got ourselves a new truck here, and kind of had to because our last truck was... well, let's just say on the verge of falling apart.
It was brisk earlier.
Chilly yesterday and this morning.
Used to do it for them. Works up at Red Lake.
All right, let's get out of here before we gotta pay. Well, that ought to shut him up for a while, huh? Well, now that it's springtime, we got some chores to do around here that we haven't been able to get to. And the chore for today is emptying out the water bin and cleaning out all that muck that's been accumulating all winter and filling it up with fresh water. Because somebody, and I'm not going to mention any names, likes to clean her hooves off in the water. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Yeah. Oh, you're a good girl though, aren't you? Now, that's kind of hard to do when these guys are up by the fence like this. Doesn't really give me a whole lot of room to work. I think bribery is the only way we're going to get this done. We're going to have to grab one of these hay bales here. And we're just going to have to throw it over here. Lure these guys over here and hopefully keep them out of our hair for a while. Now hopefully while those guys are over there, I can get this thing emptied out and filled back up before they know what's going on. You guys can see how much sludge and dirt and grime and everything builds up in there over the winter. And a lot of it flowed out onto the ground here, so it's really not doing it justice, but we like them to have clean water when they can. And if they get a little too close, well, I think that's about the best we're going to get. And that's going to take a while to fill up, so we're going to leave it to its own for now. Well, should we give them some hay or what?
Yeah.
Or grain? Come on, you're going to be a bison rancher someday. Grain? You want to do grain?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, grab the bucket. Where's the big scoop?
Oh, right here.
Yeah, you're going to be doing that all day. The chickens want a treat too. Give them a little pinch or two on the ground there. There they go. That'll keep them happy. Now we'll go into the tote here and then take the small scoop. And I would say put about that much in there and kind of mix it up. Then take the big scooper and put about 2 more big scoops of grain on top. Look, you made some feathered friends there. Boy, all the chickens are coming now, aren't they? They heard there was free food in here. Yeah, he's hungry. He's always hungry. Oh boy. Okay, yeah, we were screwing around there and we forgot the water was running. Nick, why don't you go run and turn the water off real quick? Yep. Apparently it's bath time, huh? Yeah, thanks a lot for wrecking the lawn. Atta boy. There you go. Come on. There you go. Go get him.
They like their treats.
They sure do. Except when I clobber them in the head.
They're like, watch it.
You should have fire.
Can I eat that?
Yeah, she wants to lick the camera. Oh, she found the empty bucket. Look at her.
I'm gonna lick this out.
She likes to be hand-fed.
Hi, sweetie.
I'm gonna lick that phone.
Hi. Don't be Miss Finicky here, is it? She's trying to eat that.
Trying to eat the... eating my hydraulic line.
Well, is there anything in there? You're hiding something from me. Look at him. Where's the other one?
Behind me. Hi. Hey, Sapphire. How are you?
What are you doing? I don't have any treats. She wants me to get away from you.
Yep. What are you doing? How's that grease taste, buddy? A weirdo. I didn't know we had a cleaning service. I'll beat up on you instead. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed the video this week, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, maybe drop a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, hit that little subscribe button down below. It shows your support and helps motivate us to make more videos. We'll see you guys next time.